the band and Mr. Capriccio, Miss Denise for having me here tonight, and CSAC, and I want to give y'all a little something. I want to introduce y'all to my girls. Brianna Nicole. Make room for me, I'm gonna find my destiny. Work on my swag, I'm starting from the inside. And Farrah. Make a new me, I can't go in it nasty. Work on my grind, the world is waiting for me. Yeah. And before I go, I want to say thank you for having me here, and until next time. 1, 2, 3. Until next time, I'll go. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give all of my love. I'm gonna make it till the top. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna take a step for me. I'm gonna be who I be. Okay. And until next time. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give all of my love. I'm gonna make.
Gotta get